Alright, so today is the day you get to answer the questions. We're going to treat it like a sprint, and for you, it's going to be in your blue labeled learn book with a field on it. It looks like this. I know it's in there again, right? I planned this. I'll be thinking. It's on page number 161. So go ahead and find that, and I'm actually going to put 3 minutes on the clock this time. 3 minutes on the clock, okay? Yes, and this time what you're going to do is in each box, you're literally just going to write the whole. What is the answer to each of these number sentences? Okay? All right, let's put 3 minutes on the clock. On your mark, get set, go. I don't know why it didn't ring, but Alright guys, time's up. So stop. We're going to check our work just like we did any other time, okay? Cool. Alright, so in checking this, I'm going to go across each row and work our way down. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I told you I'm going to do 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 9, 10, 10. Notice as we go further down where our first part getting larger, our second, and the number of number sentences until we make 10 gets shorter. Isn't that a cool pattern? Yeah. All right, come on. Let's do some other practice. So yes, we finally did that. We saw the cool pattern it made. Let's go into our application problem for the day. It's I forgot to give you a page number. My bad. All right, so it is in our Learn book, lesson 24. Just the one lesson, mostly. You'll see. It is on page number 163. 163 in your Learn book, so with the blue trim and the outside picture. Let me see. I forgot already to set fast what page number it was. See, this is why I put them on the page. Someone had this problem. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Page number 163. 163, guys, sorry. 163. All right, it reads, the teacher told Henry to get 8 Lincoln cubes. So snap cubes, yep, cubes. Henry took 4 blue cubes and 3 red cubes. Does Henry have the correct amount of Lincoln cubes? Use pictures or words to explain your thinking. Yeah. Take your 3 minutes, work on it on your own, and then hit me back up and we'll work on it together. All right, cool. So the teacher told Henry to get 8 Lincoln cubes. Henry took 4 blue cubes and 3 red cubes. Does Henry have the correct amount of Lincoln cubes? Let's draw a picture. We know his teacher told him to get 8. Let's draw to represent 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we know that. We know Henry took 4 blue. Let's label 4 of them blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. Right? Can you smell a little bit of blue? Yeah? Let's do a little more blue for you guys. Better? That's more blue. Good. All right. And 3 red cubes. Does Henry have the correct amount of Lincoln cubes? Yes or no? Because yes or no question. No. Excellent. Good job. Because, as we see here, making a number to match, 4 plus 3, is that the same as, is 7, right? But that's not what we want. We want 8. Is that equal to 8? It is not equal to 8. What we need to do to fix this is to add, how many more? 1 more. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so that gets us where we need to go. So the question still remains. Does Henry have the correct number of Lincoln cubes? Let's write the answer to our question. No, because yes or no question. No. He needs 1 more cube. No, he needs 1 more cube. Is what we found out from the numbers and the pictures. We see he needs 1 more cube. All right, good job. Okay. So, what are we doing today? Well, we're still on topic F, which is talking about using the addition sentence, using doubles and doubles plus 1. Just different ways to basically get really, really good at adding within 10. And not just ways to make 10, but adding within 10, all the numbers up to 10 in general. So that means that today we're going to, on page 101 in your homework book, the Succeed homework book, picture the bedroom. where I'm getting my information for this from. Page. I almost had it. Right, here it is, page 101. What we're going to do is we're going to solve these problems, and then we're going to sort them by the type of problem it is. It can be a double. It can be a double plus 1. It can have be just like it's plus 1, so adding 1 is one of the parts, or plus 2 is one of the parts. Now, technically, these two columns, there can be a lot of overlap, which means that an answer to a problem can go here and here. But we only need to list it just one time, okay? Let's just put it where we list it one time. So the first one we have is 5 plus 1 is equal to blank. Well, let's put a big part in our head. 5, and how many more? 1. So 5, 6. There we go. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Should we solve them all first, or solve and sort as we go? Let's solve them all first. All right, number 2 reads, 6 plus 2 is equal to 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, the next one says 2 plus 3 is equal to blank. What did we already discuss earlier this week? That you should start with the bigger part, because commutative property of addition, you can flip-flop your parts as long as you keep all the pieces to make your whole. Good. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay. How about 3 plus 3? Oh, that's a double. We know 3 and 3 is 6. Good job. All right. 7 plus 1 more. 8. 2 plus 2, another double. 2 and 2, 4. Good job. Oh, here we go. 4 plus 4. Again, with the double. Remember, doubles meaning your parts are the same. They have the same value. So 4 and 4, okay. Again, that's still 8. 8 plus 2 more. Ooh, that's the way to make 10. So 8, 9, 10. How about 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? Well, if 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 plus 1 more is 7. Good job. All right, so what is equal to 5 plus 4? What is equal to 5 plus 4? Okay, let's start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, next time, now this time we have, so right here we had whole equals part plus part. And here we have whole equals part plus part. Only they did not give us the second part. They're telling us 10 is equal to 1 plus blank. So we put the 1 in our head, we can count up to 10. Or we can use what we know about ways to make 10. Ways to make 10. Take the 1 we know about, the part we know, and hide it. And how many more are there? 9. Good, because that's all of it within our ways to make 10. Okay? All right. What is equal to 5 plus 2? I'm dropping everything. What is equal to 5 plus 2? Let's count on 5, 6, 7. Great job. 7. Now, let's sort our problems. Let's start with the doubles because we know our doubles. Okay, we'll start with our doubles column. Is this a double? No. Is this a double? No. Is this a double? No. Is this a double? Yes, good. So we will write down here that number sentence. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And we'll check it off here because we know we used it. Let's keep going. Is this a double? Is this a double? Oh, yes! 2 and 2, my parts match. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Check it off. Let's keep it moving. How about 8 is equal to 4 plus 4? Is that a double? It is a double again, only this time we started with a whole. 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. Great. Is this a double? 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 Okay, so are we done with doubles? We are done with doubles. Good. Okay. Now, let's look to see if we have any doubles plus 1. Doubles plus 1. I know we mentioned at least one of them earlier, wherein it is like 1 plus 1 plus 1 more, 2 plus 2 plus 1 more. Do we have any of those? Let's go through. Is this a double plus 1? No. Is this a double plus 1? What about 2 plus 3? Is that a double plus 1? It is, because 2 plus 2 plus 1 more is that 5. Good job. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is a double plus 1. Let's keep going. We don't need to check this one again. We've already used it. Is 7 plus 1 a double plus 1? No. Skip, skip. Is this a double plus 1? How about 3 plus 4 is equal to 7? Well, we talked about this one already. We said 3 plus 3 plus 1 more was 7, which means 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 is a double plus 1. So, check it off. Awesome sauce. Is this a double plus 1? Yeah. This time it is with, so 5 and 4 is 4 and 4 plus 1 more. Good job. Okay, so just write it as it is written, starting with the whole. 9 is equal to 5 plus 4. Let me just make sure I say this. You don't need multiple colors right now if you don't have them. It's okay. I'm just using multiple colors so you can see the difference in what I'm doing. That was the whole point of me using multiple colors, okay? All right, so let's keep going. Do we have any additional problems where we have plus 1, where the 1 is one of our parts, but it was not a double plus 1? How about this one? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Yes. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. We see 1 is one of the 2 parts. What about 6 plus 2? No. Skipping the ones we did. How about 7 plus 1? Yes. Plus 1 is equal to 8. Notice, listen what I'm saying. Each time I read the problem that we picked, one of the 2 parts is 1. Okay, let's check it off. We did that one. 8 plus 2? No. Done. Done. Oh! 10 is equal to 1 plus 9? Yes. So 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. This is still a plus 1, even though it's written differently. We're still having 1 as one of the 2 parts. All right, so how about plus 2? This time we're looking for problems where 2 is one of your 2 parts. So 2 plus something. Something plus 2. How about this? 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Yup. Do I have one more color? I don't. All right, we'll go back to black. Back and back. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Excellent. Done, 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 done. How about 8 plus 2? Yep. 8, listen, I said it. Plus 2 is equal to 10. Check it off. Let's keep going. Done, done, done. Ooh, 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. We have a plus 2. 7 is equal to 5. Oops, see, look what happened. Look what I did. I was in such a pattern, I literally wrote 7 plus 5 plus 5. I was going to write it in the standard way, but I'm paying attention, and by reading out loud, I catch my mistake more quickly because I'm activating multiple senses. 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. I'm not just using my sense of touch and my sight, I'm also using my sense of hearing by doing it out loud. I keep telling y'all to answer the questions out loud. Just a notion. Okay. Is it okay that we have an empty column? It is. We didn't do any 5 plus anythings here. We might have used that strategy for this one. And this one, we saw 5 and some more, but that's not what we focused on this time. Now, if you personally saw 5 and some more for different problems, that's fine. You can put them in this column. That's just not what we were looking for as a group today. But we do want to acknowledge and recognize that you have other strategies that you have been taught and you have been practicing. All right, so let me just let you get a good look at that. So we solved the problems and we sorted them by problem type. We have doubles plus one more, problems where 1 is a part, and problems where 2 is a part. So yeah. Okay. So now what we're going to do is, so it's a kind of a mixed up piece for your work today, and it is going to be in your homework book. You got to pay attention. You're going to do page number 93 in your homework book. Just that one front side, page number 93, okay? See? Page number 93. You're going to solve the problems, and you're going to color them based on the code. If it uses +1, color it blue. +2, color it green. +3, color it yellow. If you don't have crayons, please don't stress. Crayons, color pencils, markers, pens, just don't stress out. But definitely solve the problems. Okay, so this is in your book, in your Succeed book with the little bedroom on it. And then you're not going to do the back side of it. You're actually going to go to page 102 in this same book. And here, you're going to solve and practice your math facts again. The same thing we did for our warm-up today, our fluency. You're going to do it again, only you're not timed. You see how we already did the front side of this homework? Part of your assignment today is to do the back side. Same normal rules apply. Spend 10 minutes on it. Working hard, but not like overwhelming yourself. Definitely working hard, but not to the point where you're going to cry or anything. All right, so and then you'll turn in completing the exit ticket in your Nearpod by, going to the next slide. And when you're done, make sure you click submit. And that's all I have for you today. Bye.